Here.
Okay, sir. We are going to mute only.
So now, okay,
Yes, sir.
Vignesh Patel. Now this is your turn to make sentences by using phrasal verbs, and after that,
Yeah.
Ankan
So
Saha and Smita,
my
Pankaj
first
Udaipur.
my first word is a pickup. The crane pick up the entire house. Second is a go over. Please go over your answer before you submit your test. Take off. It was so hot that I had to take off my shirt. Take down. These are your instructions. Write them down before you forgot. Thank you.
And I'm coming to Ahmedabad tomorrow, so please pick me up from the Vaishno Devi, okay?
Very funny joke.
Okay, so
The
next,
police will not allow to enter in Ahmedabad.
my many friends are policemen there, so don't worry. They are in the higher
Even you
position.
cannot cross Gandhinagar
Are you
before.
go-
Okay.
are you going to bribe the police official? It's not good, sir.
Okay, just I'm making fun. Okay, don't take it seriously.
Okay.
Okay, now, okay, who is next? Pankaj Udaipur. Yes, Pankaj Udaipur, are you ready? 5 or 6 speakers are left to speak. So Pankaj Udaipur is not available, I think. So let me go to Satyanarayan Sen, then Ankan Saha.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Yeah, very good evening.
Okay, sir. I have make a story. It's a imagination actually. Uh, so can I tell my story?
Definitely. It's about Bhagira.
Is that
Is it about
what, sir? I
Bhagira?
can. No, sir. No, sir. It's all about my imagination.
Okay.
We are waiting the second session for the
Yes, sir.
Fakira.
Okay, sir. I
Come on,
start my
fast.
yeah. Start my story. Actually, when a teacher come to our class, at first he take off me from our class because I am doing such things which is not allowed in our class. Actually, beside of our college, there is a airport. So when I get out from our class, I see a airplane which is takes off from the ground. Okay. Could you hear me, sir?
Yes.
Yeah. After some time, our bell go off, and our college get through. After that, I enter my class and pick up my notes. That's it, sir.
That's it. Okay, that's it. Now Ankan Saha.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now this is your turn.
Okay, first of all, takeoff. Uh, we had reached the airport after the plane taking off. The second one is give up. There are so many problems in everyone's life, but we should not give up. The third one is run out. We should run out from the house, otherwise we will stuck in it. That's it, sir.
Okay. Now
Hello.
Piyush. Then Pankaj Udaipur,
Hello,
be ready.
good evening, sir.
Yeah, very good evening.
Today, first sentence is get through. Today, I don't get through my daily goal because my mobile phone is going off.
Very good. This is
Second
a good
is
sentence.
picked up all the waste thing of the racks. And third is last day my earphone go off, and today my mobile phone is go off. So today I don't take off any classes.
Take off the class? I can't understand take off the class.
Actually, my mobile phone, my real mobile is hanging problem, and I take off my old phone. So today video is not clear and some technical issue.
Okay, that's why you are a little bit silent also. Don't worry about that. Okay, now this is the time of the Pankaj Udaipur. So Pankaj Udaipur.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening to all. So I start with the first one. He went through a difficult time when he lost his job. Okay. And second one is sometimes I have to go to the customer for pick up the cash. And third one is we should take off our shoes outside the door.
Yes, very nice.
Hello?
Superb. Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah, definitely. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, we can hear you. What's the problem?
Hello.
Yeah, Pankaj Udaipur, we can hear you. Can you hear us?
I think COVID-19 patients are increasing over Udaipur. So Pankaj did not hear us.
Okay. So now, is anybody left here? They haven't got the chance to make sentences by using phrasal verbs.
No one, sir.
Okay, so let's start our session and let's start discussion on the topic Facebook versus Instagram. Okay, so I'm going to divide our all speakers in two groups. One group will take the stand of Facebook, so they will try to prove themselves the Facebook is better than Instagram, and the rest of the group will try to take the stand of Instagram, so they will try to prove that Instagram is better than Facebook. Is it clear?
Okay,
Clear,
sir.
sir. Clear.
And don't take it personally. This
Yes,
is
sir.
only this is only the practice of English. Though you like Instagram, but if you are in the
Sorry.
group of the Facebook, prove it. Facebook is better than Instagram. Okay. So now Sujit, Jignesh, Nageshwar Rao, Naveen Kaushik, Narendra, and Shekhar. Okay. And Amit Arora, they are in Facebook group. So you have to defend the Facebook. You have to prove at the end of the show, Facebook is better than Instagram. And the rest of all speakers are in the Instagram.
Sir, I want to take
exactly opposite.
Sir,
Yeah.
Facebook we can use for
sir, I
social
want
media
to take
marketing.
Facebook.
No. Okay. Don't I already told you don't take it personally. Just try to practice your English. Okay.
Practicing purpose.
Sir,
Because
I want to
know
add something.
more about
May I?
Facebook.
If you don't know about that, but try. Okay. Listen to other. Then at last try to speak. Is it clear?
Sir, before that,
I
sorry
think
to
Pankaj-
interrupt you, sir. Before that, I want to say something.
Okay. Yes,
Pankaj,
Pankaj Udaipur. What is it?
Sir, by the name, as you all see that my name is Pankaj Udaipur, right? Udaipur
Yeah.
is my place
Yeah.
where I'm living. So it is possible for all if they all are mentioned their place name or city name after their name.
Yeah, that's a nice suggestion. Okay, for example, let me go here in a Sujit. So I don't know where he's from, Sujit. Okay, so
I'm
you
from
should
Yes,
use
sir.
Kolkata.
Sujit from Kolkata.
Kolkata.
So
Yes, sir. Bengali guy.
so it's quite
So,
better for
if
us
he-
to
if-
identify where you are from. Is it a good
Sir,
suggestion?
sir.
I think it's a good
Yes,
suggestion.
yes. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Very
for
good, Pankaj.
example,
We appreciate-
Naveen Kaushik is from Haryana.
Yes, sir. I'm from Haryana.
Okay.
Can remember it.
So Pankaj, really very nice suggestion. I think we should do it in our show.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, I changed my name, Naveen Kaushik to Naveen Haryana. So you can
Yes.
display my name.
Yes, definitely.
this
So
is
now-
also it's one more advantage, sir. If I go to Kolkata, then I remember that Sujit is from Kolkata. My friend is
Right,
also living in
right.
Kolkata, right?
No, right. It's good.
Sir, Pawan,
Really,
sir, Pawan is, sir,
one
sir,
of our
sir, one
teacher
second.
also, he also remembering that way.
Sir,
He
Pawan
can
is
No,
going
no,
to
no.
worldwide
No.
our
How is
channel.
it beneficial? No, let me tell you how is it beneficial. If somebody watch our
Right,
video,
right.
somebody watches our videos on YouTube, then they can find
Yes,
out,
yes.
easily. In this show,
Yeah.
all people are
Right.
taking part from the different states from our country.
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Okay.
This is
Good
also
idea.
beneficial.
Good idea.
Yeah. Nice suggestion. Superb.
Yes, sir. That is the most valid
Thank
reason.
you, sir.
Hmm?
Thank you, Pankaj.
I have
Thank you.
applied
I
it.
appreciate you, Pankaj.
You can watch my name. My name is changed to Jignesh Patel Ahmedabad.
Ahmedabad,
Yeah.
Jignesh Patel,
Jignesh bhai.
Ahmedabad.
કેમ છો ભાઈ જિગ્નેશ?
I am very fine. Thanks
Yeah.
for your suggestion.
This is the one. Next time I
Pankaj.
will come to Ahmedabad, then I'll go to
I'll call you.
Jignesh Patel Ahmedabad, right?
Sure, Pankaj. Once lockdown is over, you are invited to Ahmedabad.
Good gesture by the people of this, that's good.
Okay. So, Rita Goswami is from Manipur. And Lakshmi Bora is from Tamil Nadu.
Assam.
How happy she is.
Actually, I wanted this reaction. I know that you are from Assam.
How she pronounce their
Okay,
state?
so-
Assam. Very
Yeah.
good.
So let's
I
start.
shocked that sir don't know my state because I told him yesterday.
Yes, I know that. I
Sir,
know.
I
that.
heard
I was making fun.
You were, yeah.
And I am
That's why I was surprised that you don't know.
I'm from Bangladesh. Okay.
Were from Bangladesh? Is
carry-
there any from Bangladesh?
Sir,
I'm from North
let's
Korea.
get back to our
Instagram
topic.
and Facebook.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Carry on.
Come to our topic, right?
Okay. So let's start with Sujit. Sujit, just try to defend Facebook.
Okay. Today, good evening, everyone. Today, my topic is Facebook. My first sentence is actually Facebook is a general social networking platform. Here, everyone can access that application through mobile, through computer, and share their profile picture. Or actually, here community is big. Whatever the share, the video, photograph, and relativity, community, all the things, and share their personal profile pic also. And then and other thing is that it is the making for mobile and desktop application also, because if you think in business way, it is developed for everywhere. It is they everywhere they can use from desktop and mobile also, and that's also. I think
Okay,
it
that's
is-
wonderful. Now Facebook. Now I want to invite from Instagram. Satyanarayan Sen, are you ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, ready.
Yeah.
So actually, I want to go to Facebook because Facebook and Instagram both are the same company from the Facebook. So when we just look to the Facebook, you just find some apps who are allowed to log in through Facebook. So Facebook is very much helpful for us. Also, we everyone have Facebook, but we don't have Instagram. Everyone, and also in Facebook we are seeing some news and other links, other things, videos through other categories. But in Instagram, that is dedicated for uploading some pictures and some small videos. But as compared to Facebook, Instagram is not useful. That is only for uploading pictures. But Facebook is very much useful for everyone.
Okay, Satyanarayan Sen, you have to, your stand is Instagram. You have to prove at the end of Instagram is better than Facebook.
I think Satyanarayana has slept away on the real path of their following.
Steady in
Sir,
the
he joined the Pandavas army.
You have to give the reason. You have to give the reasons. Okay. So now Navin Haryana. Navin Haryana. Now this is your turn. I think you are in
Yes,
the
sir.
Facebook group.
Yes, sir. So I
Facebook,
want to
Facebook.
circle out the advantage of Facebook. Are you hearing me, sir?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. So as you know, sir, Facebook is the ultimate platform for our promotion for our business or yourself. You know, we can take out the business from the Facebook, and you can add photos to the sites which help to get information to people you add. Okay. And sir, Facebook is the one of the largest sites in the world where 10 billion people use Facebook. But you know, comparison to the Instagram just people just if 1 billion people use Instagram. Okay. And sir, it uses a live video streaming. It uses a new storage feature, and you can sir easily search out the privacy detail of all kind of Facebook, sir. That's my point to take the Facebook.
Okay, good. And in the morning, I sent you everything. You know, this topic I sent you. So have you done work at home or not?
Sir,
Yes,
so
sir.
Yes, sir, I have done this.
Okay, so definitely. Now, Papyasa.
Yes, sir. Though I never used Instagram, and so after that you send me the email, I just look it up for in YouTube. So I now I am going to discuss. So I think there are availability of many effects whenever you post any picture. So you can use many effects. So you don't uh, need any other app to add effects.
that's me
So
my
this
life
is an
is
advantage, and it will give you mental peace. It's an app, so you can enjoy it. So nothing to um, I mean, you can enjoy looking at your followers, and you will surely be happy that people want to following you. And who is not happy by seeing that many people wants to follow him or her? So I think Instagram is for your entertainment, and you can enjoy it. So that's all, sir.
So again, in my opinion, Instagram is far better than Facebook. So we all use Instagram rather than using
Yes,
Facebook.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now I would like to go to very smart boy, Sheikh Akhtar. Now he is going to prove uh, Facebook is better than Instagram. Yeah.
Sir. Yes, sir. Okay, thank you. So, Facebook is I think it has been started in 2004 by the Harvard University student, and it is based in California. Its headquarters is in California, and actually it just got popularity after 5 years after 2010. There were lots of uh, there has been lots of feature has been added from day to day time, day after day. So I'm into so I think today it is the largest social media platform. About as one of my friend told that it has about 10 uh, uh, 10, sorry, 10 or what was the data? About 10 million. 10 million Facebook user. So it is the biggest number of the user in social media. Apart from that, I think Facebook has a very versatile feature. You can share the photographs, you can share the content, you can contact with your friends, and you can share the live videos. And apart from that, Facebook has lots of the privacy features, just like the messenger. Through that you can have your private conversation. So keeping all these things in mind, I think Facebook is really doing very well in their field. For the the advertising purpose, the lots of companies are dependent on Facebook. That's all. That is my
Very
opinion.
nice.
Thank you.
So you have done your homework.
So share, I can share a small story about it.
Okay, Sujit, please let me finish this conversation because.
Okay. Please, sir.
Okay, so now Ratesh Punch, Instagram. Ratesh Punch.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, sir. I would like to say that most of the part has already been covered by friends of mine. Like there are a lot of functions which are available in Instagram. Like many of them said that it is owned by only one person, which is very well known, Mark Zuckerberg.
Yeah.
So Facebook and Instagram both are like gives us a functions which are quite similar. So if I talk about Instagram, we can go live and we can show ourselves like where we are. Like if we go to a hill station, we can go live and our follower can see us, and that way we can really connect together, and that way our family can be able to know that where we are. And apart from that, we can also share our feelings through photographs, and we can post our pictures and a lot of other stuff so that people can know about it. And I think it's just a complete knowledge bundle. We can follow different celebrities and different even the news channel pages are also there. We can grab a vast knowledge about the international community and the celebrities, like what they are doing. So definitely, according to me, it is very advantageous. Like we can have information with just a click of a button. So according to me, yes, definitely, Instagram and Facebook can go together, and we really enjoying it, sir. Yes, thank you.
Okay, so now who wants to come from Facebook? Yes, Nageshwar.
Yes, sir. We can't imagine without spending our time on social media. I'm using Facebook and Instagram, but I like Facebook very much because I am watching some videos and some Facebook family and groups are we some books English related books are there. We can download the PDF files like English grammar books I'm using, and also we can put a status and post some photos and share videos, and also some online classes are conducting live chats and online classes we are participating. It's very useful, better than Instagram. Yes, sir.
Very nice. So, how he started, I'm using both Instagram and Facebook, but Facebook is better than Instagram. Then he started giving reasons. Very nice idea. Super. Okay, now who wants to come from Instagram?
Yes, sir.
So Ranjana, okay, who is ready?
Yes, sir, Ranjana.
Yeah, Ranjana.
Sir, firstly, I am not using Instagram. That's why I said, I told you that I want to choose Facebook. But yeah, I prepare some sentences about Instagram. So Instagram would say that it is safer, easier to manage your privacy. And we can use Instagram privately, but Facebook it's mostly public. And Instagram is a platform for sharing quality picture and short video. And we can also say that Facebook is also, but I think it is a more quality. We can share more quality video on Instagram, and people follow their friends for obvious reason, but they also follow stranger on Instagram. But in case of Facebook, we can only um, the- um, um, we can only follow faithful people. Yes.
Okay, so this is the difference between Facebook and Instagram. So you have proved that Instagram is better than Facebook.
Yeah.
Sir,
Okay, very
sir,
nice.
can I contradict her views about Facebook?
Okay, who is speaking?
Sir, Naveen Haryana is speaking, sir.
Okay, but Naveen, let me give the chance to all one, okay? Because you have already got the chance to put your views
Sir.
about Facebook. Okay, now Facebook. Who wants to come from Facebook? Yes, Narendra.
Can I speak? Yeah.
Okay, Narendra, then you will also come, okay?
Okay.
Because, yeah.
Okay, first I would like to correct the user's number. I think Sheikh Akhtar sir said 10 million, but users are 1130 million in Facebook
Yeah.
and 500 million in Instagram. So
That's why I was confused at that time.
no, it's okay. So we are from same team, so I should correct it. So number of users are obviously far more better than Instagram, and it is widely popular in the world. And also Facebook is famous for making new friends very easily. And also the notification system is quite better than Instagram. If let me give you an example, if I post something and my one friend is reacting on it, another friend is also reacting on it, so both they will get notified that someone is commented on this post or like this means. So notification is quite different from Instagram. And also Facebook is news and knowledge sharing app, because I have seen both of these apps, but I got a far better knowledge from Facebook. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, good. So now, Jignesh, again you can defend your Facebook.
Yeah.
Then I will go to Arup Kumar for Instagram.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
For
Facebook
Instagram,
is
I
a
like to
fun
say,
and almost, yeah, okay, please.
Yeah.
okay. Sure. First of all, Facebook and Instagram both are social platforms. We know very well. But if we see both are differently, like Facebook, what you can do in Facebook, we can first of all we can make an account in Facebook and Instagram in both. But in Facebook, we can post something and post some photo. In Instagram, we also do the same thing. But in Facebook, lot of other people can also able to see these things, and it is pretty easy way to handle. And another thing is based upon my experience, if we using Facebook and Instagram both simultaneously, we can get to see Facebook and Instagram. I mean, Instagram is charging more data, like I mean 1 hour. If you are using 1 hour in Instagram, it will consume 300 MB your internet. But instead of using Facebook, I mean, if you are using Facebook, it will consume maybe 100 MB. It's depend on your usage, definitely, but that's the way it is. And like everyone mentioned that thing also, in Facebook we have more number of users like compared to Instagram. So that's on my point of view.
So very nice comparison. Very nice comparison.
Thank you, sir.
So now, Jignesh Patel, Ahmedabad.
Yeah. So Facebook is a fun and almost everyone is on a Facebook. So Facebook seems to be the best one. The main advantage of Facebook is that all your friends are there and they can read your message and comment on them. This is way you can stay connected. Here are some of the best things on the Facebooks. You can get birthday reminder of your friends and family members. So thanks to Facebook, for now you cannot forget the birthday of the family members and friends, and you can send message to your friends. And you can make friends, your previous company friends and your school friends, your college friends. So this is the best feature of Facebook.
So it doesn't matter if you forget the birthday of your friends, but Facebook will remind you. You know that.
Yeah.
Early morning when you see that in the notification, your friend has a birthday today, so you can wish easily.
So it saves our life.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So now Instagram. Who is from Instagram now? No one is from Instagram?
I want to say something.
Ankansha,
Ankusha.
would you like to
So,
speak anything about?
according to me, personally, I am. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, my request is if someone is watching something or their mic has been opened, please try to make it mute.
Okay. Yeah.
That's why some that speaker are disturbing, I think.
Yeah. Okay, carry on.
Okay, sir. So according to me, I am personally a Facebook user, but okay, that's all right. Uh, uh, I think Facebook has lack of security issues. Like we can see that Facebook have more hacking problems, like hacking account problem than Instagram. But Instagram and they should work on it, and by Instagram we can easily communicate with people like celebrities and other people by mention them in stories and
Okay. So now we have 6 minutes left, and anybody wants to speak about Facebook
Sir,
now?
I want to add something more.
Yeah.
May I?
Yeah, Pankaj. Yes, Pankaj Udaipur. Now this is your
Sir, I agree. Okay. Sir, I agreed with all. They all are differentiate Facebook and Instagram very well. But there is one more thing. You all know about hashtag.
Yes.
Okay. So we can find any photograph and any videos by the hashtag. For example, if I want to see the photograph of sunset or sunrise, right? So I can find out the sunset photograph from the Instagram, but I cannot find out the sunset photograph directly by the Facebook.
Exactly.
Right. If I want to see any photograph, on Facebook, so I have to go with any type of profile, then I can see that, right? But on Instagram, directly I write there hashtag sunset. I can see all the sunsets photograph, whichever uploaded by anyone. I think this is the big difference. And one more thing, I can also find out the photographs and video of any particular, I can say, tournament. If there is a tournament like a World Cup, so I can find the videos of World Cup 2011 directly on the Instagram.
Okay. That's nice.
Hello.
Yes.
That's
So
why it is
now,
called
now,
Pickaxe.
now Instagram is in the strong position now, I think.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So now who wants to come from Facebook? No one is from Facebook now.
Instagram.
Okay, now Instagram.
Sir, I think we have only few minutes, so
Yeah.
we have to conclude that topic. And
Yes, we have 4 minutes left. Okay, so very
sir,
nice.
so I said I want to conclude that topic.
Yeah.
Can I?
Yeah,
So,
carry on.
sir,
Carry on.
So, sir, social media has become a trend in today's era. Everybody is engaged in uploading and sharing everything related to their daily activities, business, personal, or any stuff. Kids as well as older people are using social media actively. The Facebook and Instagram are two most used and favorite social media sites among users of every age. You can do lots of things by creating account on these two services. You can stay connected with your friend and family, even they are at a distance from you. You can promote your business, add your pictures and many other cool things. So so I'm from Instagram site. So Instagram is more beneficial and more safer. So yes, sir.
So she has proved that Instagram is better than Facebook. So this is the conclusion.
Right.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Ultimately,
Exactly.
both applications are owned by one
Facebook
owner,
is only
Mark
used.
Zuckerberg.
Okay, so my dear friends, let
Facebook
me
is
tell you
used
one thing. Okay, today we arranged this type of comparison.
only
So is it good
in
for us to
India.
compare anything and to discuss on one particular thing?
Yes, sir. I
Yes,
think this
sir.
is a
Yes,
good
sir.
idea.
Very
It
nice.
is
Really,
good
it
for
is.
GD section.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. This is the best
Discussion
version.
is good.
So write down
Sir,
tomorrow's topic: WhatsApp and Telegram.
yes, sir.
Okay, that is our tomorrow's topic. Actually,
WhatsApp.
I have already written in my diary. Okay, this is my advanced plan. I think you can see here WhatsApp and Telegram here.
Sir, tomorrow at what time, sir?
Same time, 9 o'clock. And one more thing I want to tell you.
Okay, sir.
Today we are not going to practice only for one day phrasal verbs. We are not going to practice personally. Then after one day we are going to making request and asking permission. We are going to practice such type of sentences first, making requests and asking for permission. Let me tell you in advance our tomorrow's topic, and in the second session we will have a comparison between WhatsApp and Telegram.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Is it an interesting thing to discuss such type of topics every day?
Yes,
Yeah,
Vocabulary
Yes, sir.
section,
Definitely.
vocabulary
Very
section
useful.
and
to know
conversation
so
section.
many things.
I have divided our two sessions in
Today,
two sections. Yeah.
Kind
So
of
we have
GD.
1 minute left, and I want to go to Sheikh
today
Akhtar
interesting
to
fact is the
conclude and to summarize our
question.
today's day. How did you find? Just summarize our today's.
So it was, I think it was great, and actually the discussion removes the hesitation of the speakers. So the main purpose for coming here for all this for all the participants is to just remove the hesitation. So I think it is the best way to to overcome on their speaking skill.
Yes, Jignesh Patel. 30 seconds are left.
Yeah, today's session was awesome, and I learned so many things about the Facebook and Instagram both.
Okay, so definitely. And last, Papiasa.